In our collective effort to combat violence against women and children, VAWC, and promote gender empowerment, spreading social awareness plays a crucial role by effectively providing knowledge and raising awareness. We can empower viewers to contribute towards ending VAWC and fostering a society that values gender equality. This guide offers practical strategies to spread social awareness and inspire action. Utilize social media platforms. Harness the power of social media to reach a wide audience. Create engaging content including statics, infographics, and real-life stories to illustrate the prevalence and impact of VAWC. Encourage viewers to share and repost this content to expand its reach. Utilize hashtag related to VAWC and gender empowerment to increase visibility and facilitate conversations.